Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and looking at the top 3 stocks I'm buying this October. I always think it's smart to go into the month with some sort of game plan, strategy, watch list. So these are going to be the stocks that I put on my watch list and pretty much that I'm buying. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, new to the team. We talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So guys, let's dive into this one. All right, so starting off with stock number 1 is the only Apple. Now the reason why I love Apple, honestly, I could write a whole book about why I love it. Market cap over $2 trillion, hundreds of billions of dollars in cash, very little debt. But on top of that, what we've seen over the past month is about a 10% sell-off. Now, at least for me, I never want to buy a company at all-time highs. Now, when Apple, pretty much an icon, sells off 10%, I'm going to be buying as much as I can. Not to mention, they just released their new iPhone 15. Going into the holiday season, I do expect to see some nice revenue growth on top of that. So I just think you can't go wrong investing into it. On top of that, it does pay a small dividend, so it's a great way to get appreciation. It's a great way to get some passive income, some cash flow, and just be diversified into one of the best technology stocks in the whole world. And you just can't beat the price of it selling off 10%. So moving on to stock number 2. Before we jump into that, smash that like button right now. Smash it. All right, let's jump into stock 2. All right, stock number 2 is OPRA. Now, for those of you that don't know what OPRA is a software, it's a data, it's an AI stock. But what they're known for is search engine. Now, what they have is fantastic artificial intelligence. And on top of that, with their search engine, they offer free VPN, which is nice to keep your privacy online. But the reason why I love them is we've seen great growth on the revenue, the profit margin. Look at the fundamentals. They're absolutely beautiful. And not to mention, they've sold off, I know I say not to mention a lot, but anyways, they've sold off about 23%. And for a company like this, I definitely think it represents a massive opportunity to buy an awesome company, an awesome growth stock at an absolute bargain. And with that being said, they do have about $90 million in cash with about $3 million in debt. So you just can't beat those ratios and the 6% dividend. So you're investing into a great artificial intelligence stock, an AI stock, a dividend powerhouse, a company that is invested into a variety of different sectors. And I just think it's a staple for investing. I think I would rather have this than not have it. All right, moving on to the last and final stock today is the one and only Walmart. Now, I'm not investing into Walmart for long-term growth. What I am looking at for this one is a possible swing trade. Now, looking at this chart, you guys can clearly see that we have this beautiful trend line. Every time it hits this line, we get natural tendencies to see buying pressure. Now, you guys will notice we had some sell-off all the way down to about $159. Now, for me, this is right on that trend line. That could represent a great opportunity for a swing trade to go from pretty much 159 to in the 160s, which would be a great risk and reward and a fantastic swing trade. So that's another opportunity that I am looking for Walmart here. So I'm super excited, not to mention Walmart. Beautiful, beautiful, absolute powerhouse in the retail business. We've seen great growth out of them. I think it's a great long-term approach, but for me, I am looking at it as more of a possible swing trade. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, short and sweet. So we'll see you guys later. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.